I didn't know my African brothers. Bless me. Oh,
Africa is the birthplace of mankind. Africans were the first builders of
as a
civilization. They
Ghanaian growing
discovered
up, I did not know
invented writing,
my
developed
African
sciences, engineering,
brothers
medicine,
until like
fine arts, and
Hi, yeah,
great
yeah.
pyramids, an
Yeah, man.
architectural achievement which still
Bless
baffles
me.
modern science.
The 225th Emperor.
I don't know what's going on in my nose.
Solomon and the Queen of Sheba.
I guess what I'm talking about just making me sneeze. But yeah,
He is the King of Kings, the Lion of
Our-
Judah.
I have no
The
idea
name Haile
who the
Selassie
African American
means
is.
power of the
So some of you say the Africans don't like it. When
Educate
we come here,
yourselves of
America is full of different people.
to liberate
It's a melting pot.
Africa.
And here we
Keep
meet
your heads up high.
our brothers and
No
sisters.